Welcome back, guys, to what day is it? And today we're doing an off-grid camp out, cutting up wood, watching the views, being out in the snow in the wilderness, just having a good time, cooking up some food and coffees with some hot chocolate. It's a proper winter edition. Stay tuned, guys. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys out there. Have it put it straight over a fire than gas. Job done. Second load, guys. Do not try this at home. Look at that. Waterfalls, lakes, fan, fire, nice road, whole thing really. I think you really want all here. Mountains. So yeah, so we're camping, guys. I'm bringing you guys along for the ride. So enjoy yourselves, get yourselves hot chocolate and enjoy the Christmas edition. Christmas special pretty much.
Some animals been around here.
So we've got all our wood here, all the stuff we'll need, and now we're going to build a fire and sort all that out and stuff like that. So be doing that in a minute. Just part the van up and let's do that. Alright, guys, we have made it back. We just bought a load of stuff, I'll show you in a minute, but this is where we're camping. Bob's your auntie. Put all the firewood here. I'm just gonna shovel out a bit of a little fire pit, and then this is the stuff we bought. We just stacked up on a load of food as well. Bought some eggs here, bought some bread, and then bought an axe, little axe thing. Don't know how good it is, but it was cheaper than the wood, and we can use this multiple times, and the wood is only lasts once. And then we bought 2 of these little saws here, so they should be a lot better than the other saws we had. So yeah, and then get the fire going. So that is the mission now.
To dry, ain't we?
Let's wet wood out as much as we can. So I've got some dry bits and just stuck all the wet wood on top. Guys, that should now keep the fire going. Let it all warm up, all dry out, and then we should have a nice fire going. It's caught onto the other bits now, which is good. I thought this was going to die out, to be honest, but yeah, it's not looking too bad. Well, that shit probably works. Like, chuck some snow on it.
You keep looking at it thinking, oh, I can want that.
May as well. They're like you need a hand. Which one's 28th of November? Shit.
What was that, 28th of November?
These mints.
Where you go?
Do a little sniff test.
No.
It's been frozen pretty much. Just overcook them. It's only a joke.
It's the 3rd.
Oh, that's fine.
6 days overdue.
Nah, it's fine. They've been frozen pretty much. They don't smell bad. I reckon it'll be alright.
You get some of that charcoal.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no.
Not really sure how we're going to do these eggs. Got these mints to enjoy, and we got these warmth, these bits of bread, nice fresh bread. So let's crack on with the additions. A bit burnt, but gonna burn. Gotta burn something every now and then. Gotta burn something. I'm gonna have some dinner, and I'll see you guys once it's finished. Just finished dinner. Not too bad. Bit of mince over the fire. It's always better when you have it cooked straight over a fire than gas, because you get that nice fire taste as well. But yeah, that's nice and filling. I had that bit of bread and that. So yeah, chill out and do some dishes. Well, I might actually have a little bit more. Have some eggs as well. Harvey bought some eggs. And they were quite expensive over here. They were like £7 for like 20. If you're 3 or 4 here, have some fresh bread with it. It'd be quite nice.
Nice though, isn't it?
I don't know if it's nice or not. Isn't it?
A few moments later.
There's lots.
There must be someone here.
Huh?
Oh guys, someone's huskies are let out on the loose, and I don't know how safe they are. As long as we don't get attacked by huskies, I'm alright. Hey, you like shit yourself.
Are you surprised?
No? Well, yeah, because well, you just gotta make sure. My biggest fear is the dogs.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Right, but they can't get us.
Oh, I thought they were rule set for this.
Really? Yeah, I was wondering what all the freaking paw prints are about. Did like 20 of them, if not more. Oh my days.
They're coming. Shit, look it.
Look. Might be in the back with you. Oh my days, they're coming in now. What's passed through? What the hell? I think we're good though. Alright guys, we're still alive. Still good. Scare sec. Bit of a weird moment. Because, well, the worst thing you really want is a load of dogs barking. Especially when you don't know how dangerous they are, so yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
What, and he's mine?
There's one.
Oh yeah, I know.
Right, look at Harvey's cooking of eggs, guys. Do not let him in charge of anything. Anything food related.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Home. I wasn't able to watch them for 9 minutes. Can we get that straight, guys?
Yeah, but the shit is just even before that. Just enjoying the evening after that terror of dogs passing through. It's the worst noise you could hear around here. They literally didn't even look at the van.
Yeah.
Oh guys, it's now -5. -5, so it's pretty cold, but it's not with this fire. It keeps us nice and warm.
Just got a jumper on pretty much, so can't be that cold. But out there, if you walk away from the fire, it's pretty nippy. So you know, I'm just gonna stay as close as the fire as we can and keep warm and try and dry my shoes out because they are soggy, soaking wet. Yeah. Oh, that was a weird experience. There's a bunch of huskies went past, heard low barking, we were like, what the hell was that? But they didn't even look at the van. It's pretty weird. They must be a bit concerned as well. So yeah, it's all good. I'm just sorting out the bed to get ready to sit in there and chill out. The fire's going down a bit. Got all the wood all nice and dry for tomorrow when we need to start it up again and that. So just a little update of what we're doing, and then I'm gonna use the bathroom and brush my teeth. Alright guys, we're gonna go to bed as it's pretty late now. It's like 11. So good night guys. I'll see you in the morning. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.